Doors are an essential part of your home, providing security, insulation, and aesthetic appeal. However, like any other part of your house, doors can wear out over time. For homeowners in Meridian, recognizing the signs of a failing door is crucial to maintaining your property's comfort, safety, and efficiency. If you're wondering whether it's time to replace your doors, here are some common signs to look out for. Difficulty opening or closing. One of the most noticeable signs that your door may need replacing is difficulty when opening or closing it. Over time, doors can warp due to changes in temperature and humidity, a common issue in Meridian's varying climate. A warped door may no longer fit properly within its frame, causing sticking or gaps. If you find yourself struggling to operate your door or notice that it doesn't latch securely, it's time to consider a replacement. A properly functioning door should open and close effortlessly, ensuring ease of use and security. Visible damage or wear. Inspect your doors for visible signs of damage. Cracks, dents, peeling paint, or rotting wood indicate that your door has aged or suffered from exposure to the elements. Wooden doors are particularly susceptible to moisture damage, while metal doors may show signs of rust or corrosion. Not only does visible wear compromise the door's appearance, but it also reduces its effectiveness in providing insulation and security. A new door can restore the visual appeal of your home while offering better durability and performance. Drafts or air leaks. Feeling a draft near your door is a clear indication that it's no longer sealing properly. Poorly sealed doors allow conditioned air to escape and outside air to enter, leading to higher energy bills and reduced comfort. This is particularly concerning during Meridian's hot summers and cold winters when maintaining indoor temperatures is a priority. Replacing your door with a new, energy-efficient model ensures a tighter seal, keeping your home comfortable and reducing energy costs. Modern doors often come with advanced insulation and weatherproofing features designed to enhance efficiency. Increased noise levels. If you notice an increase in outdoor noise seeping into your home, your door may no longer provide adequate sound insulation. This issue is common with older or damaged doors that have lost their structural integrity. A replacement door, particularly one designed with soundproofing features, can significantly reduce noise levels, creating a quieter and more peaceful living environment. Outdated appearance. Your front door is one of the first things people notice about your home, making it a key element of your property's curb appeal. If your door looks outdated, faded, or doesn't match your home's style, it may be time for an upgrade. Modern door designs come in a variety of materials, colors, and styles to complement any home's architecture. A new door can instantly refresh your home's exterior, making a lasting impression on visitors and potential buyers if you're planning to sell. Compromised security. A door that's cracked, warped, or difficult to lock is a security risk. Worn-out doors and locks are easier for intruders to breach, leaving your home vulnerable. For peace of mind, it's essential to replace any door that no longer provides adequate protection. Modern doors often come equipped with reinforced materials and advanced locking mechanisms, offering improved security for your home and family. Excess moisture or water damage. If your door shows signs of water damage, such as swelling, discoloration, or mold growth, it's a clear signal that replacement is necessary. Moisture intrusion can weaken the door's structure and lead to further damage over time. In Meridian's climate, where precipitation can vary, investing in a water-resistant door can help protect your home from future issues. Energy efficiency concerns. Older doors often lack the insulation and energy-saving features of modern designs. If you've noticed a spike in your energy bills or your HVAC system is working harder to maintain a consistent temperature, your door may be part of the problem. Upgrading to an energy-efficient door with features like double-pane glass or insulated cores can help reduce energy costs while maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Conclusion. Your doors play a vital role in your home's functionality, appearance, and efficiency. Recognizing the signs of wear and tear is the first step toward addressing issues before they escalate. For Meridian residents, replacing old or damaged doors not only enhances the comfort and security of your home but also adds value and curb appeal. If you've noticed any of these signs, it may be time to consider a door replacement. Consult with a professional to explore options that fit your home's needs and style. A new door can make all the difference in creating a welcoming, safe, and efficient living space.